Okay. We just got a box from Rag&Bone, which I think Jeff Bezos took to space and dropped it in my store. Look at it. What is this? It's the balance of Rag&Bone. Rag&Bone, your shipping sucks. You're not shipping properly. Okay. This is high summer, ladies. Not exciting. Hold on. What is this? Okay, hold on. This is this is Rag&Bone high summer collection. So, linen, high waisted. This is perfect for no hips. If you have no hips and you're slightly fuller in the waist, this is a great pant. It's wider leg, it's linen, so it wrinkles. I was about to turn it, twist it, but it will wrinkle. I love the color. Out east, do it with a tank top and a jean jacket. And look at the button they chose. Oh my, no. Let's discuss this for a second. Look at the way this is done. Look at the finish. It's ridiculous. That's why it fits so well. Ooh, it's just what I'm, ooh. Okay, so this is the top that I got to go with that. Incidentally, trend alert, ding, 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 ding. This is the color of next season, this rust color. So, a sheer, the sleeve is not full. You know, some of you cannot wear this drop shoulder. This is not really drop shoulder. This is a set-in shoulder. It is slightly on the raglan, but it's a set-in shoulder. So those of you who are slightly busty, if you do a raglan sleeve, you look bustier. You should never do that. This is actually a good cut for you. And I like it half tucked into this, and that's your ensemble. Okay, Jeff Bezos, Rag&Bone. Ooh, there's so much here. I'm so happy. So, are you ready? You want the skirt. I promise you. How is it? I think that's how it is. It's a little sarong jersey. Wear it as a, it's not silk. I think it's a rayon jersey. Zipper on the front, kind of sexy with a tank top. See how it dips in? That's sexy. Do it over a bathing suit. This gets wet, nothing's gonna happen to it. This is a great skirt. So, another trend alert. Ding, ding, ding. This kind of skirts, I just finished buying the resort collections. Those kind of skirts will have a moment. That kind of a drapey, sarongi type of a skirt is gonna be a big, important trend of next year. So if you buy it now, you can wear it next year. You know, Rag&Bone is known for their knits. This doesn't have a lot of give, which is almost better because it's a light color. So it's not gonna show rolls. I love this or this. Okay, you know, figure it out. It's a scoop neck. If you like your sleeves, some of you like to cover, this is a great little knit sweater. This sweater will go with everything you own forever and ever and ever, amen. Polos are having an, you know what? I will ring it again. Ding, 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 ding. Polos are gonna have a moment again. How chic. How chic. I know this is a late summer delivery, but this, do it with a khaki, dark khaki pair of pants, will look amazing as much as it will look when you put this together like this. So the knits are superb. The quality. It's all about quality. It's all about quality. Look at that workmanship. Geez. I should start a line called Afshin because I love it. I love fashion. Okay. Ooh! 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 That skirt, that yellow, that might have not been your jam. Maybe this is your jam. I love the skirt. If you have a fuller midsection, this will be a great fit for you. It doesn't have a waistband. It's not gonna cut into you. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous. Do it with a sleeveless turtleneck. Do it with a tank top and a leather jacket. Did I say leather jacket? I sure did. Are you gonna wear a leather jacket now? You sure won't. But this. Oh, what is this? Okay. This with a combat boot, with a white tank top. This is your Hatsi Tatsi Mamacita going out on a date type of look. And finally, kind of sort of finally, maybe there's more stuff in there. Ta-da! So, the skirt that I showed you has a matching tag. So you can wear it as a dress. I love two pieces that look great as a set and that look great separately. Because if you're traveling, you take this, then you can wear this separately with something else, you wear this separately with something else, and you get more bang for your buck. Bang for your buck. The off-white top that I showed you, the knit, comes in this gorgeous orange color. Neons are gonna be trending as well. This entire collection, this entire summer, high summer collection can easily be worn into the fall because a lot of the pieces are totally trending next year. Okay, ladies and Jeff Bezos. I make such mess. Okay, yeah, come see me.